All right, gentlemen, let's have an honest conversation. If you've noticed your energy isn't what it used to be, or those morning moments feel like a distant memory, you're not alone. Millions of American men over 60 are experiencing the same thing. But here's the good news. There's a simple solution hiding in your daily routine. You're already drinking coffee every morning, aren't you? What if that same cup could naturally restore circulation, reignite your vitality, and help you feel like yourself again? I'm Dr. Mia Carter, board-certified urologist with over 12 years specializing in men's health. I've worked with thousands of men across the United States, from their 50s all the way into their 80s. And I'm not talking about expensive prescriptions. I'm talking about smart, science-backed nutrition that costs less than your average diner breakfast. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to transform your morning coffee using 5 natural ingredients. Let's get started. Here's what's really happening inside your body. Plain coffee gives you that familiar jolt. Then what happens? You crash. You reach for another cup. But there's something more concerning happening beneath the surface. As we age, particularly after 50, testosterone production naturally declines about 1% every year. Your blood vessels become less flexible. Circulation weakens, especially to those smaller vessels critical for male vitality. Meanwhile, that regular coffee, it's doing nothing to address these root causes. It doesn't improve nitric oxide production, the molecule your body needs for healthy blood flow. That's the real issue we need to fix. And that's why I tell every patient, you don't need to give up your coffee. You just need to make it work harder for you. Ingredient number 1, Ceylon Cinnamon. Let's start simple. Ceylon Cinnamon, also known as true cinnamon. Just a 1/4 teaspoon in your morning coffee can regulate your blood sugar levels, reducing dangerous spikes by up to 29%. Why does that matter? Because unstable blood sugar damages your arteries, making them stiff and less able to deliver blood where you need it most. Ceylon Cinnamon fights that process. But here's the exciting part. Cinnamon contains cinnamaldehyde, a compound that stimulates nitric oxide release. That's the same molecule medications like Viagra target, but cinnamon helps your body produce it naturally. I had a patient, Robert, 62 years old from Ohio. Within 3 weeks of adding cinnamon, his energy was more consistent, and he started noticing improvements in the bedroom he hadn't experienced in years, all from a 1/4 teaspoon. Ingredient number 2, pure cocoa powder. Not hot chocolate mix, just pure, natural cocoa powder. Cocoa is packed with flavonoids that improve artery flexibility and boost nitric oxide levels. A study in the Journal of Hypertension showed men who consumed cocoa daily improved blood flow by over 30%. That's comparable to some prescription medications without the side effects. And cocoa contains anandamide, the bliss molecule. It improves your mood, reduces stress, and can increase your natural desire and confidence. Add just 1 teaspoon to your coffee. It'll taste like a rich mocha minus the sugar crash. Ingredient number 3, maca root powder. This powerful plant comes from the Andes Mountains, where people have relied on it for over 2,000 years. Unlike synthetic boosters, maca works with your body. It nourishes your endocrine system, the command center that controls hormone production. Studies show that just 1 teaspoon daily can lead to noticeable improvements in libido, energy levels, and mood within 8 to 12 weeks. It's an adaptogen, meaning it helps your body balance stress and maintain steady energy without crashes. One patient, Frank, a 67-year-old veteran from Texas, told me maca was a game changer. After 6 weeks, he felt stronger, sharper, and more engaged at home in every way. Ingredient number 4, coconut oil. When you blend it properly, it creates a creamy texture almost like a latte. More importantly, it supports natural hormone production. Your body needs healthy fats to produce testosterone. Coconut oil is rich in MCTs, special fats that can increase testosterone levels by up to 20%. They also slow caffeine absorption, giving you smooth, sustained energy for hours. Start with half a teaspoon. Blend it for 30 seconds. You'll stay full longer, think more clearly, and feel more physically capable. Ingredient number 5, fresh ginger. Ginger is a potent anti-inflammatory that supports testosterone production and improves circulation. One study showed men who consumed ginger daily saw a 17% increase in testosterone after 3 months. Ginger also boosts luteinizing hormone, signaling your body to produce more testosterone naturally. Use a small slice of fresh ginger or a 1/4 teaspoon of powder. It adds warmth that pairs beautifully with cinnamon and cocoa. How to start this routine? Don't feel overwhelmed. Start slow. Week 1, just add cinnamon. Week 2, add cocoa. Week 3, introduce maca. Week 4, try coconut oil or ginger. By week 4, most men feel noticeably more alert, confident, and capable. Want it easier? Combine cinnamon, cocoa, and maca into one jar. 1 scoop daily? That's your power coffee. Gentlemen, decline is not your destiny. Just because you're in your 60s, 70s, or 80s doesn't mean you have to accept feeling tired or weak. Your body still has incredible potential. It just needs the right support. And that support doesn't come from expensive prescriptions. It comes from simple, smart choices you make every morning. So tomorrow, when you pour that cup, remember you're not just waking up your brain. You're fueling your circulation, supporting your hormones, and taking control of your vitality. If this helped you, subscribe, share it with a friend, and comment which ingredient you're trying first. Sometimes the smallest change reignites everything. Stay strong. This is Dr. Mia Carter reminding you that real vitality starts with small, consistent choices.